guys, this is Rachit Arora here, and I had recently promised that I'll be bringing to you all the review of my new laptop ASUS Zenbook 14, and I have done so. So here, right here, is the newly launched ASUS Zenbook 14 that I had recently bought. This laptop is so crazy and thin that I can definitely describe it as an engineering marvel. So guys, what are we waiting for? It's time to get to the review.
Zenbooks have always been the thinnest and finest laptops ASUS has ever produced, but the new ASUS Zenbook 14 takes this to a whole new level. Just look at how compact and thin this laptop is. This laptop can comfortably be held in one hand. It's so portable. I mean, the side profile is just 13.9mm thin and the new Zenbook 14 weighs just 1.17 kg. So yeah, this laptop is really portable. The laptop does have a really good sleek design and it also does have all the necessary ports. On the left, there are the two Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, a HDMI port, while on the right are the USB-A 3.2 port and a port for the micro SD card too. Yes, I agree, one thing missing definitely is the headphone jack, although it does get covered as ASUS provides a highly certified USB-C to 3.5mm dongle, which does become an additional accessory to carry though.
So coming to the design and build of the laptop, I guess ASUS has done a pretty great job at it. There's the aluminium alloy of which the laptop is built of, while on the lid is the concentric circle design. I guess this makes the laptop look so premium. While on
opening the lid, you are blessed with a wonderful display. This display is 14-inch IPS LCD Full HD display along with extremely narrow bezels, thus giving it a really modern look. It has a screen to body ratio of 90%, 100% sRGB support, 300% nits of max brightness too. This display is top notch and I definitely have no complaints. Moving to the top of the display, you'll discover the camera, and this camera is nothing ordinary. This camera is a 4-element lens and it is a IR camera too, thus meaning it is compatible with Windows Hello. And since it is IR, it works extremely well in low light condition too. In my usage, this IR camera has worked really efficiently and really well. The webcam quality is good too, although it isn't great, but a new feature has also been added for better image quality, thus producing really sharp images.
Well, so moving on to this edge-to-edge backlit keyboard. Even though the laptop is so sleek, the keyboard is edge-to-edge and the keyboard is not at all a compromise. Come, let's have a look at it.
The laptop does have extremely well-spaced keys along with a decent travel of 1.5mm, thus making typing faster and really fun. There are also dedicated keys for home, page up, page down, which in my opinion are really helpful. The keyboard also does comprises of extremely helpful hotkeys. There are dedicated keys for camera shutter, launch my ASUS app, and also a snippet tool. Now we come to the touchpad. This is ASUS's numpad 2.0. Means I can press this icon to bring up the numpad, which is extremely handy as compact laptops do not have the num keys anymore. As for the icon on the left, I can use it to toggle between two brightness levels or swipe from it to bring up the calculator. Leaving the numpad aside, I love the size of the touchpad and how smooth and responsive it has been in my usage, as there are no weird sounds at all. On the sides of the touchpad are a couple of stickers that mention some of the key features of the laptop.
So you know what, I love the design and build of this new laptop, and even though the laptop is so cool and sleek, the laptop is US military grade certified, so it is bound to be durable too.
Apart from that, there are two Harman Kardon certified speakers placed at the bottom, but thanks to the design, the sound never dies down. These are good quality speakers along with a lot of depth and clarity.
Okay, so now let's talk about the specs.
The laptop I've bought features the 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with built-in Iris graphics, coupled with up to 16GB LPDDR4X RAM and 512GB PCIe Gen 3 SSD. Okay, so I ran a few benchmark tests and I got pretty good scores, something expected from an i7 chipset. In my usage, the laptop has been really smooth and responsive, so that's something really positive. This laptop comes with Windows 10 Home on board and the myASUS app is pre-installed. The myASUS app has some extremely handful features like battery, fan profile and many more. You can also link your mobile through this app. There are options for file transfer and screen sharing and screen extender too, so that's something really helpful. Lastly, come to the battery. The ASUS Zenbook 14 has 67 watt battery, which the company claims will last up to 22 hours. Thus meaning that even in my intensive usage, this laptop has lasted for at least 10 to 12 hours. You also get the 65 watt USB-C charger, which provides extremely fast charging and takes the laptop from 0 to 60% in just 49 minutes. Coming to connectivity, there's Wi-Fi 6, that's the latest Wi-Fi standard, therefore great for future, and there's Bluetooth 5.0. So connectivity is well taken care of.
Okay, so I previously owned the MacBook Air that's right here, and I wanted a new laptop that was extremely lightweight, was probably just 13 to 14 inches, had at least 16 GB RAM and at least 512 GB SSD, and literally weighed just a kg. So I think the Zenbook 14 has been an excellent match for me because it matches all my criteria. And I'm not sure if this is going to change my opinion of Apple over Windows, because I still think I find the UI of macOS much more better and much more easier in my recent usage of the Zenbook 14 too. But I'll have to say that the Zenbook 14 has been extremely smooth up till now. The 16 GB RAM, the Intel Core i7 has been a huge boost for me to consider using Windows for 4 years, and I think it's been a great decision to buy the Zenbook 14. And I also have a friend Ayushman who suggested me to buy this laptop, and he has a positive overview of this laptop too. So I think the laptop is going to be a great match for students who want extremely high productivity along with extremely high portability, because this laptop literally weighs just a kg. And I think this laptop wouldn't fail to catch the eye of the people going to work too, because of the Intel Core i7 chipset and how smooth and responsive this laptop is.
I mean, the Zenbooks are known for their design and build, and this design and build is exceptional. It literally looks stunning and it literally weighs just a kg. A fantastic piece of engineering. It gets everything: display, keyboard, touchpad, and the specs are extremely high end.
The ASUS Zenbook 14 is priced at Rs 96,999, thus making it a direct competitor to the MacBook Air that has the latest M1 chip and also other Windows laptops in that segment. And I guess ASUS laptops have an upper hand over the other laptops because of the great features that they are providing. 67 watt hour battery. So guys, this was also my first review of my life, I'd say. So I hope I've done a good job at it, and let me know what are your views on the new ASUS Zenbook 14 that I've recently bought. Anyway guys, bye for now. I'll definitely see you all in my next vlog.